Hi, Rana Vikas here from Technical SEO team for 11. Today we will learn how to make a SEO writer within ChatGPT to for daily use. So you can go to my GPTs. It's the process of training the GPT on your dataset. For example, click on Create a GPT and configure. For example, name is Chris. You can write anything here. You can name. It doesn't matter. The actual part in this instruction. Okay, the prompt is ready. So another instruction can be, for example, okay, we can add some PDFs here. Okay, uncheck this code interpreter if you're not using this for coding and programming. Okay, now it's ready now. So we will save this and you can publish only for you or for public or only for those which have the link. So I am using this one. You confirm. You can add image here. So I have this one. Now best for image scaling tools. Now Chris will reply. Look, as a beauty spa owner and a seasoned beautician, I always been fascinated in recent years. It's the case study. It is the research-based information, and it's the content. Look, here it's discussing about the coding beauty as we instructed. Okay. At my spa, I have always it's writing as first person also. So here is the content. We can modify anytime by visiting this my GPT area. By using this, you can also create some calculators, AI-based calculators for your website. In another video, I will guide how to make a calculator for your website. For example, I have a calculator on my website. It's a weightage calculator. So I will guide you how to add this kind of calculator on your WordPress based website and how to use AI for this purpose. For example, I have a laptop, washing machine. Okay, I have instructed this AI to suggest some products also. Now it's calculating the total wattages of my use and now suggesting some electric generator within the walls. So it's working on the data set. It's working on the instructions. So now you can add the instructions here anytime, or you can add upgrade this phone. You can try also here, but we want to use on the dashboard. For example, here it is. Chris, and my keyword is okay. Hello, I'm Chris. Forward mail rotation. As I have instructed that first ask about the keyword, I have already sent the keyword. That's why now it's writing the article. Now it's writing a short story also. Last winter, I had a client, Emma, walked into my spa. So when you write as a first person, it will also pass the Google EEAT policy. It means that you have expertise, you have experience, and you have a local business somewhere within this niche. So it will increase the authority of the website and also the profile of the author. So now it's generating the image also. Let's wait for image. Okay, look at it. It's generating the images also. Okay, here's the content. Okay, thank you. Bye.